Hello guys and welcome. Let's talk about Huawei Mate 40 Pro and HarmonyOS. In the past few weeks, Huawei has launched a number of 4G mobile variants of its recent 5G flagships. These include Huawei Mate 40 Pro, Mate X2 foldable phone, P40, and even a mid-range device such as Huawei Nova 8 Pro also got its 4G variant. Related to this, a new variant of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro has completed the network certification in China. This variant only has 4G connectivity, and the specifications of this device are identical as its 5G sibling. Most surprisingly, the phone has received the certification with pre-built HarmonyOS 2.0 operating system, which shows this phone as a pre-built HarmonyOS device and first phone to get it on board out of the box. According to the official listing, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro comes with 5nm process Kirin 9000 processor. It has a 6.7-inch curved edge display, dual selfie cameras, and 50MP AI quad camera system that is co-developed by Leica. Let's also talk about the current testing status of the HarmonyOS developer beta. On December 16, 2020, Huawei opened HarmonyOS 2.0 developer beta for the Huawei P40, Mate 30, and MatePad Pro devices. After the recruitment, Huawei began to roll out the HarmonyOS 2.0 developer beta software for the testers. As of now, Huawei has sent 3 developer beta updates for the HarmonyOS 2.0 developers. On April 21, Huawei extended the HarmonyOS developer beta activity for the Huawei Mate 40, Mate X2 foldable phone, and other flagship devices that weren't a part of the initial beta testing. According to Richard Yu, CEO of Huawei Consumer Business Group, Huawei has set to launch the HarmonyOS for mobile devices in April and will install it on older devices through the software updates. There is more to know in this matter. Until then, be connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, and press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel for fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.